In this video, I will show you how to edit like Travis Scott's album cover, JACKBOYS. All you need is your phone and the free Lightroom mobile app. Here's an example photo, before and after, using this filter. If you would like to download this Lightroom filter for free, read the description below this video on how to download the file. So let's start editing. First, let's import a file to edit. Now in the light section, bring the exposure down to -0.70. And contrast to -40. Increase the highlights to +15. And shadows to +30. Now, go to curve, and follow these steps to create your curve like this. Now, go to color section and increase the temperature to +15. Then, go to the effects section and increase the clarity to +8. Decrease the dehaze to -15. Then, set the grain to +50. Size to +70. And roughness to +30. Now, go to the split toning option. Set the highlights to 59 with saturation of 18. And shadows to 145 with saturation of 7. Now, set the balance to +25. And that's it. We are done. Now, let's save this preset and apply to other photos. If you want to download this preset for free, read the steps in the description below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.